Hello, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share the simplest ways to live a healthy lifestyle and many untold secrets that can help us live a healthy life. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 worst foods for heart health. Here are 4 of the worst foods for heart health, according to dietitians. The number 1 on my list is processed meats. Processed meats such as sausage, pepperoni, bacon, and hot dogs are the worst foods for the heart. The second on my list is foods with added salt. If you want to follow a heart-healthy diet, it is best to avoid products containing excessive amounts of salt. The number 3 is sugary drinks. It is well known that sugary drinks, such as juice and soda, have a significant impact on weight and the risk of diabetes. These drinks are also associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The last number 4 on my list is red meat. Studies have shown that red meat, whether processed or not, is linked to heart disease. Let's always pay great attention to whatever we are putting in our mouths to maintain the healthy lifestyle. Try to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Thank you.